And in this part of the city here at Sukhumvit, you don't have the fireworks, but you have the shining lights on every rooftop bar. Good evening. I'm here at the Siam Square One. It's the 31st of December, which means the last day of the year. The whole city is packed with places where you can celebrate the new year. And we are here at one of my favorite walking streets. It's a bit early in the evening, so it's not too busy yet. We are around 8 o'clock. I was here yesterday morning and I noticed all the stages that were put up here for the celebrations. Haven't seen the new avatar yet. Last year we celebrated at the Sky Hanuman with my good friend Chris from Retired Working For You, but this year it's gonna be more quiet. My mother is in Bangkok, so we're gonna celebrate around our area, but I still wanted to have a look here. And as you can see, the new True Shop is open now. I was here a couple of weeks ago and the True Shop wasn't open yet, but as you can see, that's all done now. So we're having snow in here. Here we are backstage. Anyway, we're not gonna stay here. We're gonna go to the Asiatique area. I'm gonna show you how the fireworks look from the sky, and I hope I can show you the whole city in one shot. in this part of the city here at Sukhumvit, you don't have the fireworks, but you have the shining lights on every rooftop bar. So it's 12:45. It is the 1st of January 2026, and I'm here at the entrance of Sukhumvit Soi 11. As you can see, there is a brand new McDonald's here that opened a couple of days ago. It's busy on the street. I'm on the skywalk here, which normally would be closed, but during the 1st of January they always open it up a little bit longer. Here in front of Sukhumvit Soi 8, and there's a huge power cut in here, so they have a good start of 2026. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the new year, or the old year's day of 2025 and the new year for 2026. If you enjoyed this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.